Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so here we are at Big Lots taking a look to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now, this is also a quick reminder that tomorrow is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. We have no guests tomorrow, and so that means it's freestyle, guys. I cannot wait to see you there. So Big Lots has such amazing things. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.